2019 Chevrolet Impala Car Review. The good points of 2019 Chevrolet Impala: smooth, quiet ride, spacious rear seat and trunk, sleek cabin with numerous technology upgrades, capable optional V6. The bad points of 2019 Chevrolet Impala: underwhelming performance and fuel economy from standard 4-cylinder. Some interior surfaces feel cheap. Thick roof pillars hamper visibility. Advanced collision prevention tech limited by top trim level. The 2019 Chevrolet Impala new feature. The Impala carries over unchanged for 2019. Part with the 10th Impala generation introduced for 2014. Highlights with the 2019 Chevrolet Impala include its smooth ride, roomy interior with many different space for rear seat passengers, and one in the most massive trunks for sale in any sedan. Chevy has updated the most recent Impala generation over its life with newer infotainment and connectivity features. What the Impala has in spades, though, is the fact smooth large car feeling on the highway. There aren't a huge amount of choices for affordable full-size sedans nowadays. Nevertheless, the king with this class could be the Toyota Avalon, which has been fully redesigned for 2019. Buyers who wish to get the most features with regards to money may wish to check out the Kia Cadenza. The Buick LaCrosse also provides a more deluxe and recently redesigned handle the full-size segment. Perhaps the higher issue is the fact that mid-size sedans, for example the excellent new Honda Accord, rival the Impala for space and refinement for a much lower starting price. 2019 Chevrolet Impala configurations. The 2019 Chevrolet Impala is really a 4 or 5-passenger sedan that's easily obtainable in 3 trim levels. Thanks to equipment upgrades not too long ago, the bottom LS trim is much more than just bare-bones transportation. Moving up on the LT trim gets you upgraded interior materials and use of several option packages. The range-topping Premier trim provides an extensive and upscale number of standard features. 2 engines can be found. A 2.5-litre 4-cylinder 197 horsepower, 191 pound-feet of torque is standard within the LS and LT trim levels, while a 3.6-litre 6-cylinder 305 horsepower, 264 lb-ft of torque is standard with the Premier and optional from the others. Both engines employ a 6-speed automatic transmission and therefore are only available with front-wheel drive. The LS trim commences with a good variety of standard features. You get 18-inch steel wheels, sound-insulating laminated windows, automatic headlights, cruise control, keyless entry and ignition, a rear-view camera, AC, an 8-way power driver's seat, a tilt and telescoping controls, 6040 split folding rear seats. OnStar includes 4G, LTE and Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, a 6-speaker head unit, satellite radio, and Chevy SmileLink infotainment system which includes an 8-inch touchscreen interface, 2 USB ports, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving up on the LT adds 18-inch alloy wheels, remote engine start, heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, leather-wrapped tire and shift knob, rear vents, extra headrest adjustments, and several other small interior trim upgrades. The Impala LT also provides many upgrade packages. The driver confidence package incorporates blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and rear parking sensors. The LT entertainment package pads on navigation, an 11-speaker Bose stereo audio, a CD player, ambient interior lighting along with a 120-volt outlet. Want a sunroof plus a rear spoiler? Order the sunroof and spoiler package. There's also the LT convenience package, including heated front seats and also a heated controls as well as an auto-dimming rear view mirror. The convenience package might be upgraded while using LT leather package, which adds leather upholstery plus a power-adjustable front passenger seat. The top trim Impala Premier gets 19-inch wheels, xenon headlights, heated power seats and leather upholstery, an invisible smartphone charging pad, plus some unique exterior accents. It also includes the contents on the LT's driver confidence, entertainment, and sunroof and spoiler packages. Packages with the Premier trim add the Premier Confidence package, which adds adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning and 20-inch wheels. The Premier Convenience package adds ventilated front seats, a heated and power-adjustable leader, driver memory settings, and auto-dimming rear view and driver side mirrors. Both the LT and Premier trims also provide access for the Midnight Edition Appearance package, which adds black painted 19-inch wheels, replaces the chrome exterior trim with black painted pieces, and includes special black interior trim pieces. Perhaps unsurprisingly, Midnight Edition Impalas are only accessible in black. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our full test from the Chevrolet Impala LTZ, the 3.6 litres V6, 6-speed automatic, FWD. Note, since this test was conducted in 2014, the latest Impala has brought some revisions, including an overhaul with the infotainment system, adding more standard features, and changes to option packages. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's Impala, however. Driving. The 305 horsepower V6 from the Impala makes more power than competitors, but instrumented acceleration is average. Its 3,881 pound weight, a number of £100 greater than the Avalon, could be to blame. Still, the Impala's V6 is smooth, strong and plenty capable. Acceleration. Shifts are smooth and are quick. The Impala gets nearly highway speeds quickly and passes with full confidence. Still, our measured 0.6 miles per hour duration of 6.7 seconds is just average with the class. The four-cylinder is noticeably slower. Braking. The pedal feel is slightly soft, yet it's easy enough to modulate out and about. A panic stop from 60 miles per hour takes 120 feet, that's average with this class of vehicle. Steering. The steering effort and feedback are light but precise and trustworthy. But it's slightly sensitive round the center, hence the driver retains to stay attentive to prevent lane wandering. Handling. Obedient although not entertaining. Around turns, the Impala will prove capable and confident enough for the majority of drivers. Drivability. Well-mannered and confidence-inspiring during day-to-day driving, the Impala can be a willing and accommodating commuting partner. Light steering makes parking easy. Comfort. The Impala comes with a pleasantly peaceful cabin that emphasizes comfort over performance. There's ample interior space. After hours of driving, we emerged no worse with the wear. Skipping the optional 20-inch wheels may further enhance the ride. Seat comfort. The adequately padded front seats offer 8-way power adjustments. Side bolstering is minimal, and also the optional ventilation is weak. The adult-friendly rear seats are just bested by those inside Avalon for legroom within the class. Ride comfort. The suspension smooths out rough surfaces and gives a terrific balance of comfort and composure. The Impala is usually less floaty than some competitors. Noise and vibration. Wind and road noise is barely detectable over the variety of surfaces and speeds. The cabin's creak-free isolation approaches luxury sedan levels. Interior. The Impala is competitive with large sedans. The tasteful design is appealing, though you may still find some disappointing plastics, particularly below the guts stack. Ease beneficial. The many primary and secondary controls are well placed and clearly labelled, nevertheless the touchscreen is usually a bit of any reach, possibly at an upward angle. Getting in, jetting out. The elevated seat height makes acquiring it and out easy, so does the tall door opening. There's no stooping required. The same holds true for the rear seats. Roominess. The Impala's spaciousness compares favourably with competitors, with plenty headroom and legroom. The average-size adult may also be comfortable from the rear seat for all-day trips. Visibility. The thick front roof pillars hamper visibility through turns, plus the high rear trunk lid requires reliance about the backup camera. The gauges and displays are positioned well within sight lanes. Quality. Flimsy plastic panels about the center console help with a lower quality environment compared to those of competitors. But the MyLink system's menus are intuitive and easy. Utility. With the Taurus stead, the Impala now boasts the largest trunk from the segment, positively huge at 18.8 cubic feet. Inside the cabin, bins are adequate along with the behind touchscreen storage is exclusive. Rear latch anchors are simple to find, then there is plenty of room, even for rear-facing child car seats. Technology. The current incarnation of Chevy's MyLink strategy is easy to use while offering lots of connectivity features, including standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Accident avoidance tech can be obtained, but only about the highest trim level, FARA standard on every Avalon.